Hello, Insiders. My name is Travis Northup, and I'll be your host for the September edition of Insightly Insights. This video will showcase a couple exciting new updates to the Insightly platform across CRM, marketing, service, and AppConnect. Let's get started. First up, see more data in all your reports. The total number of columns displayed has been increased to 50. With double the number of records, you'll spend less time searching for your data and more time acting on those insights. Next, an update to field merge tags for Insightly CRM. Account admins can now use them in workflow automations to automatically populate field data like first names or business names in their subject lines. It's a great way to customize your message using data you already have in Insightly. Alright, number 3 on our list is an update for Insightly Marketing. You can now easily convert prospects into contact records via the Actions dropdown or as part of a finish action. This makes it easier to manage which records in your prospect database should be tracked as contacts versus leads. Next up for Insightly Service, the System Events tab within Tickets has been updated to the Audit Log tab. It displays both system events as well as user events all in one place, so you can track all the changes made and whether the result of automations or simply members of your team doing their thing. Last but not least, a new ticket comment trigger has been added to the Insightly connector within AppConnect. Use this trigger to kick off a recipe when a ticket comment is added, updated, or deleted. This allows you to build all sorts of automations based on comments added to your tickets in Insightly Service. The possibilities are endless. That's only the tip of the iceberg when it comes to what's new with Insightly. Check out the help article linked in the description box below for a complete list of updates.